Battery must withstand the harsh conditions, maintaining its original quality. JEIOTECH's Battery Environmental Test Solution provides the vital resources for conducting climate tests like extreme cold, heat, drought, and high humidity, and multiple resources. For all applications, whether it's safety, design, shipping, or environmental concerns. There are several standards to be considered, which can be satisfied with JEIOTECH Battery Environmental Test Solution. We have a well-organized team that can always find the most suitable solution for your battery laboratory requirements and provide the necessary support. Testing chambers for battery cells, modules, and packs from small to large scales has been produced. Through a one-stop manufacturing system, this ensures consistent quality and performance, stable mass production. We provide comprehensive battery testing by offering not only a battery testing chamber, but also recirculating cooler to directly test internal temperature changes of the battery and cyclers, jigs through partnerships. Heating, cooling, humidifying. JEIOTECH's battery test chambers are equipped with precise and uniform temperature and humidity control. Additionally, it features a safety system to protect operators and the site in the event of any abnormalities. We provide two types of fire extinguishing systems to protect against fire situations during tests that simulate extreme environments. Its standard extinguishing system and submersion tank system. Standard extinguishing system is made up of fire detection sensor units, alarming units, and extinguishing units. If an unusual situation occurs, temperature sensors, smoke detectors, and flame sensors detect smoke and flames, sending the signal to activate smoke ventilation and external notifications. Simultaneously, the fire extinguisher discharges extinguishing agent. The submersion tank system consists of the standard fire extinguishing system and the special purpose submersion tank. It excels in rapid temperature reduction for effective extinguishing. JEIOTECH holds 2 patent applications, domestic patent and PCT for its tank system. It rapidly inflates its surface to cover the battery and releases the extinguishing agent into the tank. The primary function of chamber is to safeguard against potential hazards, mitigating not only fire risks, but also any factors that could lead to chain reactions. This chamber on demand is considered to be a perfect safety system for any risks such as ventilation, locking, usage. In the event of an abnormal situation leading to the generation of high pressure and gas, the vent blast door located at the top of the chamber will open and release the gas and pressure through the duct. The dual door locks and the magnetic locks are designed to prevent door opening due to impacts. The risk of glass shattering from the viewing window due to an explosion can be prevented by covering it with a protective shield. The shelves with epoxy coating can hold up to 200 kilograms. The cable port, which can be customized to fit your work by changing size, position, and there is caster wheels for position lock. An individual testing environment for battery testing. We will continue to strive to enhance the quality of our products and services. JEIOTECH, the best partner of the battery test solution.